Hello everyone, welcome to class today. Here we have equation say find the value of line BC in this figure, in this shape. Now we have a triangle here, A, B and C. Then we are looking for how to get the value of line DC, right? Now seeing that totally that line BC is line BD plus line DC, so I'm looking for this distance here, DC. So how do I go about this? First and foremost, let's begin with line BC is equal to line BD plus line DC. Alright, so meaning that line BC I'm looking for is, if I subtract line BD from BC, I'll be able to get line DC. Okay, so which means that line DC will be equal to line BC minus line BD. Alright, okay, so let's go. Having two right angle triangle here, which is triangle ABC. So we have in triangle A, B and C. Now this is what we have here as the triangle here. This is A, this is B, this is C. So we have AC is 15 meter, then the angle is what is 30 degree. Then we have another one, A, B and B, which is in triangle A, B and B. So this is what we have here, A, B and D. So here we have here at 45 degree. So meaning that DC becomes BC minus BD. So I will need to get BC from here, then I will get BD from here, then I will subtract BD from BC to get the value of DC. Okay, so how do I go about that? Now let's get the value of line BC. Now if I want to get the value of line BC here, what it simply means is that I will need to use the trigonometric ratio. This is the hypotenuse, right? This is the adjacent, right? This is the opposite. Now I have the hypotenuse given to me and I'm looking for the adjacent, which means I will use the cos. Now which is cos 30 degree here becomes adjacent, which is line BC over 15 meter. So if I cross multiply, I will have a line BC equals 15 meter times cos 30 degree, which is 15 meter times cos 30 degree is root 3 over 2, which is 15 over 2 root 3, or which is 7.5 root 3 meter, which is line value of line BC. So I've gotten this distance. Now it's now to get line BD now. Now I can't just get line BD because line AD is not given to me here, right? So I will need to get line AB, which is the same thing, line AB here, line AB here. Now what it means, I will get line AB using triangle ABC. Okay, so in triangle A, B and C now. So this is what we have. A, B, C. Here is 30 degree. Here is 15 meter. Now I will get line AB, which is this is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse here. So which is sine 30 degree, which is opposite line AB over 15 meter. Now if I cross multiply, line AB becomes 15 meter times sine 30 degree, which is 15 meter times sine 30 is 1 over 2, which is 7.5 meter. Then in triangle ABD now, which is I'm having this now, A, B, and D. This is 45 degree. Now this is AB. I'm looking for line BD now. This height AB is the same thing as AB here, which is line AB here is also 7.5 meter. Then I will use the opposite and adjacent here, which is the tan from the trigonometric ratio, which is 10 45 degree is equal to opposite, which is 7.5 over line BD. Now line BD becomes 7.5 over tan 45. When you cross multiply there, then line BD becomes 7.5 over 1, which is 7.5 meter. Alright, so line BD is 7.5 meter. Now from first you have that line BC is equal to line BD plus line DC. Now line BC is giving us 7.5 with 3 meter is equal to line BD is giving us 7.5 meter. Then line DC is what we are looking for. So line DC becomes 7.5 with 3 meter minus 7.5 meter, which is 7.5. As a common factor, we have 3 minus 1, which is 7.5 root 3 minus 1 meter as the value of line DC, or this becomes 5.490 meter, which is the value of line DC. Alright.